I'm giving out big smoke, big smoke. Got a whole lot of big smoke, big smoke. Ain't no running from this big smoke, big smoke.
Hey man, say man, what is good YouTube? It's your boy Slowboy VQ, aka Chris, back to another video. Today we got some cool plan for the car. As y'all can see from the title of the video, yes, we got a new packaging, you feel me? And yes, it is open. I got too excited. But yeah, we're gonna be putting on paddle shifters on the car. It's been a long waiting for these. We've been waiting for these for the car right there. So yeah, we're gonna be putting these on today. We're gonna see how everything's gonna work. I never done it before, so we're gonna see. It's gonna take a while, but for y'all it's gonna be like 5 minutes or whatever, however long this video is gonna be. So you guys like, comment, share the video. Yeah, I'm gonna take y'all through the process and everything like that, so y'all bear with me. All right, you guys, so here's the kit. We got the paddles right here. We got the bottom piece, I believe, like the bottom of the steering wheel right here. Here's the adjuster thing that you can use to adjust the wheel. I don't know what these are. I think these are just harnesses, and these are just pieces to, yeah, connect to the shifters and everything like that. So I don't know. We're gonna see how this goes. Hopefully everything is here. I don't gotta buy anything extra. Probably the screws that's there, I probably can use them to put these in, but we'll see. We'll see. We'll see. If anything, I probably have to run to the store and grab screws. It's not a big deal. All right, you guys, so we in the car, as you can see. Basically, I'm gonna start taking off these pieces right here. I guess this is where the screws and stuff hold on, like these two. So I already took them out on both sides. It's gonna be like this little clip, where it's like a clip like this. So you just pop them out, and there's gonna be 2 screws behind it. Once you take those out, you should be able to like lift these parts off. Wait, it's hard to do this with one hand.
12 seconds later.
All right, so basically, yeah, you just lift this part off right here. Then there's like clips holding them in, so you can just pop them out. I'll just leave that part for last right now. Then at the bottom, I don't know if y'all can see, but this piece, the leather piece, I just popped it out. It's real easy. It's like clips, so you can just really pull them out. And these, I just pulled it and it just came out. So this, I just pulled on it and it just came out. So, all right, you guys, so I got the whole thing off. As you can see, I got the whole thing. Actually, those 2 screws on the steering wheel wasn't the only 2. There was one actually at the bottom. If you have like the power tilt thing, there was one at the bottom, like one single screw holding it in. So that was making it hard to come off if you guys ever try. And this is what it looks like under here. I never seen it under here, so it's pretty cool. Well, you guys, we got bad news. As you can see, we're driving. There's 2 freaking screws I don't have, so I have to drive this with the steering wheel all the way up like this. Like, bro, all the way up like this, bruh. So I'm gonna get these 2 screws. Hopefully they have it at Lowe's. Most likely they will, but bro, if I find these 2 screws, I'm gonna show y'all just in case y'all get it yourself and y'all want to install these paddle shifters. So I'm gonna let y'all know. Hopefully I can get it and we can see. Bro, this sucks, bro. I gotta drive with the steering wheel all up here. But yeah, I'm gonna tap back in with y'all when we get the screws. Hopefully we do get them. And yeah. All right, you guys, I got the screws. Hopefully these work. Probably they will, probably they won't. This is really a lucky guess. I was too lazy to go to the Q50 dealership, so we'll see. If these don't work, then we're gonna have to go to the dealership to get them. But if these do work, hey, saves me time. So yeah, we're gonna try these, to try to put these on, and I'll update y'all as soon as we get them on. Oh yeah, and this is also for you guys who do have like the Q50 that's 2014 through 2015, through 2017, I mean. The wires for the paddle shifters are literally right under this. Wait, let me keep it focused. It's literally right. Wait, it's right here. Like literally, they had it. I don't know why they had it right here, but they should have really just added it instead of just freaking having it here. But yeah, the wires for the paddle shifters are literally hiding in the steering wheel. They're right here, covered up. I don't know what this one's for, but yeah, the paddle shifter ones are always here. So I just wanted to share that. I just want to share that with y'all. If y'all did not know that, the Q50s do come with the paddle shifter wires already there. That's for the 2014s through 2017s though. The ones up, I don't know. So hope you guys, I'm hot. I got things on. I ain't gonna lie, this is the easiest thing I ever installed on this Q. I mean, that's like, I would say like mechanical wise, I guess, but I don't know. But I'm gonna show you guys. Yeah, we got them in. Basically, you didn't even really need all those screws. You just needed a bolt because the harness and stuff is already there. All you really needed was the nut. Pause. For this part, so it wouldn't move. And you just need the screw and the nut for this part. For this part right here, if y'all can see. A screw and a nut for right there. Same thing on this side. You gotta turn the wheel. You just need the bolt right here, and all you need is a screw and the bolt, and that's it. And the things is in. The harness is already there. See, look, I'm actually do this one with y'all right now. Boom. You see? Boom. You just tear off. You literally just tear off these things right here. These things. Hold up. Let me make the camera wider for y'all. Yeah, you literally tear off these things right here. Boom. Just tear it off. The wires right here. Magic. Now all you gotta do. All you gotta do. Bam. That's it. They're in. You got working paddle shifters on your Q50. That's it. I don't know why Infiniti didn't do that from the get-go and just put them on every freaking Q there was, but I guess you guys, hey, we got them. They're in. These just feel nice. I ain't gonna lie. They feel beautiful. Woo-wee! I can't wait for the first drive with these. I ain't gonna lie. So that's probably gonna be a next video, because I'm gonna explain a lot more in that next video, what's going on and everything like that. So yeah, you guys stay tuned for that. But as of right now, these just feel nice. I ain't gonna lie. The downshifts and everything. Oh yeah, it's gonna be much easier than using this, you guys. This right here is a pain. This gotta go. This is over with. We up here with these. Don't mind the lights. I still haven't fixed it. I can fix it right now. Actually, I should do that after this video. But you guys, that's it. 2 bolts, bolt, screw, bolt, screw, bolt. That's it. Now I'm gonna put back on everything, and yeah, I'm gonna show you guys how it looks afterwards. All right, you guys, as you guys can see, the Q, everything is set in place. Nothing's not going nowhere. Everything works. I'll put the top back on, the bottom pieces back on with the adjustable control stuff. So yeah, it's all good. I do have something else I'm going to install, so it's gonna be like a two videos in one. So yeah, but yeah, this part is over. This part's the hardest part. It wasn't even hard. This shit was so easy, like super easy. It's just I didn't understand it at first, but you know, we all gotta watch YouTube. So yeah, I watched YouTube to figure it out. That's why I didn't really make an installation video, because there's good installation videos out there. I just did like the steps and some steps. I showed some steps and everything like that. So yeah, but these are in. They're finally installed, bro. Finally. So now we're gonna really be tearing up the streets. It's gonna be easier to record. I can just, you feel me, just drive. Yeah. So I can't wait for that first drive video and everything. So you guys stay tuned. I'm not gonna end it right here. I'm just gonna jump into the next thing I'm gonna install on the Q. So yeah, but I'm gonna drive it down the street just to make sure it works, just to show y'all. All right, he's going crazy right now. All right, I do need air in my tire, But yeah, let's see how this goes. Show you guys right now. It's gonna be a quick little drive down the street. So I think we still gotta, I don't think we can just, we have to go in manual. Shoot that bad boy into manual. Woo-hoo-hoo! Oh yeah, you guys. Yes, sir. So you guys see, it works. Easy, quick. Nah, you can finish this in an hour, literally. All you gotta do is have the proper parts and everything. I'm not gonna go too crazy. I'm gonna show that in the next video, but yeah. Just gotta have the proper parts and you go all good. So I'm gonna catch y'all when I'm putting on the next part. All right, you guys, we back with the second part of the vid. It's a different day, a couple days after. Yeah, so we're gonna be installing, I don't know if I showed y'all, but yeah, we're gonna be installing these. Hold on. We're gonna be installing tips, bigger tips, because the ones that we have right now, y'all seen from the last vid, they're kind of small, like small. So they don't fit like the diffuser thing. So I'm gonna show you guys what it looks like and everything. But yeah, so I decided to buy bigger tips. I couldn't find the same design, the one that we had, but it's something close to it. So I just got those instead. Yeah, so I just wanted to fill up the whole diffuser, and we got bad news, you guys. Like before, I guess we broke the exhaust. It's not really broken, but it's kind of broken. It's just, I guess, what you call it, the hangers. Yeah, the hangers broke. One of the hangers on the right side broke because I hit a speed bump and it just broke off entirely, which sucks. But it doesn't matter. We're gonna get it fixed tomorrow or so. So yeah, we're gonna get a video on that because we got some stuff to do at the exhaust shop. So you guys stay tuned for that vid too. And yeah, so we're gonna be putting these on. I'm gonna show you guys. All right, you guys see how it doesn't like fill up the whole entire thing? Like, I don't know, it kind of bothers me because you know like how the last setup was, it filled up the whole thing. That's the kind of look I want. These are kind of small. It doesn't like fit the whole thing, and like it looks weird from a distance. So yeah, that's what I really bought the bigger tips for. And here goes this side. You guys see it's hanging down lower than it's supposed to because the hanger broke off from like right, yeah, you see where it's broken, like right, hold up, right there. So yeah, it's an easy fix. Ain't nothing too serious, so that's easy. All right, you guys, we got the tips off. They're both off. It was easy. They're right here. Yeah, it was real easy. All you gotta do is unbolt it. Nothing serious, nothing too hard. That's why I'm doing it myself instead of making the exhaust shop probably charge me like $100 just to take these off, which is crazy. So I rather just change it myself before I go tomorrow. And yeah, so this is the old one, and this is the new one. You see, you could really see the difference, kind of, sort of. Like this one's way bigger than this one. Like, bro, like that one's way bigger. So this should fill up the whole thing. Only thing, I did want the gold, but they didn't have the gold. But so I got the same, it's the same design and everything. So yeah. All right, you guys, so here's the difference between this one. See, this one fills up like the whole thing, kind of, sort of, which is pretty good. It's better than the last. I feel like it's better. It looks better than the last one. And you know, this one hangs a little low, but I'm still gonna, it'll be like this. I don't know. To me, it makes a difference. Probably on camera it doesn't make a difference, but it makes a difference. So yeah, these tips are just bigger. This one I think is like 3.5. and this one's 4.5 inch. So that's the whole thing. So yeah, I'm just gonna put both of them on and show you guys the final look, kind of sort of, because that one's broken, but you know, you get the point. All right, you guys, here's the difference. Man, this side is just throwing it off, but we'll see. But yeah, there we go. It fills up the whole thing now, which is better. But you guys see what I'm doing. You guys see what I'm going through, all that. Yeah, so we're gonna be fixing that problem tomorrow and stuff like that, because that gotta go. And there's some stuff I gotta fix with the exhaust. It's like a whole bunch of stuff. Can't get a break, but that's what it's here. I'm just gonna be here to show y'all the process and everything, how it goes. So you guys stay tuned for the rest. Stay tuned for the next video. It's a lot to explain in that video, so you guys stay tuned. Yeah, that's gonna basically kind of wrap this video up. It wasn't that too much, just a little quick update of stuff that I did to the car and everything like that. So you guys, remember, you guys subscribe, like the video. We're on the road to 500 subscribers. All right, I'll catch y'all later. Peace.